welcome back to our van build. This is episode 3.
We're Project Fan Freedom. I'm Anthony.
And I'm Amy.
We hope you enjoy. So another day in the van build. Where are we off to?
B&Q.
Already got the car looking like a bloody workhorse. Dun, 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 dun.
No trouble it. Is that the long one? Make sure there's no cracks and that in it.
Squirt wooden spectacles.
Should have got a trolley. Should we just get a wheelbarrow?
I want to look at a cabin again. We got.
In a cardboard box.
Definitely down here.
You said you wanted to look at the cladding. I'll just go this way then. See? Ain't lying.
Amazon's been busy this week with us. Our spice rack, just our shower, our sealants and stuff. As you probably see, our trip to B&Q, it was pretty successful for us. We're packing her up, ready for tomorrow. Cleaned her up, she got really messy. We felt really bad for Trudy, we did, so we gave her a little spruce up. You see Amy's tidied up the back for us. She's done a cracking job, mate. Yeah, she's all packed up, ready for tomorrow. This is day 5 or 6 now. This is our second trip to where?
B&Q.
Shouldn't be it. You know how it is. You know how it is.
Van out, haven't we?
Yeah, we've had to get Trudy out. She hasn't been used in a while, so she's getting a little few miles on the clock.
Got 'em working.
This is our build so far. It's been a busy day for us today. We've finally got our bench made, all 3 access points made out. One to the battery, to the fridge, and to the toilet and shower area. All that's mapped out. It's all ready to go. And yeah.